When you're in a situation with an x squared and you want to solve for x, you need to get rid of the squared. So the way we're going to do it is the opposite of a squared is a square root. So we're going to square root both sides. So when I square root, it gets rid of the squared. So this disappears. So we're left with x equals, and the square root of 4 is 2. So if you plugged 2 back in, 2 squared does equal 4. But there's another number that if you squared it equals 4. And that number is -2. So if I plugged in -2 squared, that would also equal 4. So your answers are actually x equals 2 and also x equals -2. So we're going to write that as x equals 2 comma -2. Same idea here. We're going to take the square root to get rid of the squared. And we're going to do it to both sides. So what we're left with is x equals square root of 49 is 7. But it's also going to be the -7. If you're writing this on a piece of paper, instead of doing a +7 and a -7, you could write it as plus or -7 to show it's positive and -7. But if you were to type it into a program online, you would need to do 7 comma -7.